When a person suffers a significant loss, such as the death of a loved one or the end of a relationship, they frequently experience various emotions and physical symptoms associated with their grief. The grieving process can be complicated. Some people may struggle to cope with their emotions and stress due to their loss. When grieving, having a plan in place can be a valuable tool for the individual and their support network. A grief treatment plan is a detailed guide that outlines the key treatment components for grieving people. It gives people structure and guidance as they go through the grieving process, aiming to promote healing and growing. The plan's standard components are assessment, coping skills, grief work, a support system, and review and evaluation. Mental health professionals and therapists use this plan to tailor their sessions with clients and guide them through grieving. Individuals and healthcare professionals may use a grief treatment plan to manage grief's various emotional, cognitive, and physical symptoms. People using our grief treatment plan can be grief counselors or therapists, organizations, or support groups and the individual. To use our grief treatment plan, follow these steps. Download the PDF of our Care Patron platform or click on the link in the description. Fill out the patient's details at the top of the form. Make an initial appointment to evaluate the client's symptoms and experiences thoroughly. This step will assist you in tailoring this plan to your client's specific needs and goals. Inform the client about the normal grieving process and common grief symptoms. This step will assist in normalizing the client's experience and laying the groundwork for their treatment process. During each session, teach the client new coping skills and encourage them to practice them outside of therapy. This step will assist the client in managing their emotions and stress due to the loss. The treatment plan is divided into 6 components: assessment, education, coping skills, grief work, support system, and review and evaluation. Each component has question prompts to help fill out the rest of the table. Work with the client to identify sources of support and encourage them to use them as needed. Review and evaluate the client's treatment progress regularly and adjust the treatment plan as needed based on their needs and progress. Here is a sample of our grief treatment plan, which you can find on our Care Patron platform. To find our grief treatment plan, go to our Care Patron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find this worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Care Patron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Care Patron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.